We're gonna go look for breakfast food. Mainit. Gumana yung flaring eh. Good morning. This is our second day here in Korea. We're gonna go look for breakfast food. Merong sikat na ano dito, yung Isaac Toast ba yun? Puntahan natin. Tignan natin kung masarap ba doon. So, let's walk around. Malapit lang daw dito sa hotel yon, so lakarin na lang natin. Sana hindi masyadong mahaba yung pila. Uy, actually okay din dito. Mukhang masarap din dyan. Masubukan. Medyo sikat sa mga turista yung Isaac Toast. Baka mamaya pagdating natin doon, mahaba na yung pila. Tatama rin na ako nun. Pero tignan natin, baka kaya naman. Look at that, guys. Those are ham and cheese sandwiches, I guess. So I don't think this is I think this branch is more of a takeout branch. Wala masyadong tables and chairs for dine-in. May maliit dito, I guess, kung mamadali ka or may pupuntahan ka pa, wala kang place to eat it at. Pero parang itong branch na to is for delivery and takeout talaga. Okay na rin, pero dito na natin i-try. So we got our food. I'm just gonna try. We got chicken toast, chicken something, soy garlic. And then try natin yung French brioche, something cream. Then we have cheese pops. And kasama na tong drink.
Meanwhile,
we need to review.
Sige, sir.
With the soybean sauce.
Oh, it's like a dip.
much later.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, tell me who gon' rise and fall. I've been running for my flaws, still I'm standing 10 feet tall. Mirror, mirror, don't you lie, I can see it in my eyes. Truth gon' surface every time, even when no other dancing with my shadow in a room full of gold, trying to count on my regrets like the stories I told. Mama said, boy, don't sell your soul for applause, but the silence louder now than a million gods. I seen kings fall quick for a hit on a rail, seen queens trade crowns for a six-figure deal. I don't blame them.
Ano yan?
Grilled lobster with cheese.
Oh, with cheese, ah.
Simulan natin sa bawal agad, no?
Mayroon kami namang gamot.
Minom na ako ng Histamin. Doon nila iniinit para matunaw yung cheese.
Oh, there, I see rubber.
Cheese lobster. Let's
Okay.
do it. Mainit pa ata to.
Pusgahan mo na.
May sunog ah.
Okay, sunog. Baka kasama yun. Ano, winner, winner.
Nasang bawal.
Winner, winner, lobster dinner.
Ah,
Oh, yun na.
oh,
Kalat na naman.
kakalat ka na naman eh.
Oo nga.
Sir Jeff.
Sir. Jeff.
Sulit ang kain namin.
Akala ko parang di niya trip eh.
Kinabahan din ako sa unang reaction.
Parang, right, fish cake.
Second,
Next.
second item.
Actually parang third na to eh, pero
Umuusok.
fish cake.
Dahan-dahan.
Ang lamig pare, ang lamig.
Kasi dahan-dahan eh. I told you.
Ang lamig.
Malamig talaga.
Ang lamig talaga.
Yes, sir.
Malamig.
Octopi.
Octopus.
Kita mo bang lumiliyab kanina?
Yes, sir. Nakuha lang ko. Yun, oh. Anong husga, sir?
Okay ka. Pwede.
Sarap.
Next item.
Yung barbecue sauce?
Yes.
Daw i-try. Okay. Steak.
Steak.
Wala steak.
Steak on a tray. On a bed of toge, sabi ni sir.
At
Or panalo.
mainit. Ram.
Okay.
Octopi.
Octopus with the tentacle.
Oh, masyado lapit.
Kuya Benji. Ah.
Next.
Kamusta? Oy.
Diba?
Atay. Dahil meron akong stick na merong ano, tutusok tayo.
Sarap.
Beef steak. Beef steak lang pala to eh.
Steak on a steak. Steak on a steak. That's why.
That's good.
Sige, muso ka lang yan.
That's why.
Octopus.
Medyo chewy.
Pero sarap, sir.
Octopus.
Kuha ka pa. Tentacles lang yung kinuha mo kanina.
Medyo na overcook lang ng very slight. Kaya naging chewy. Kimchi na binalot sa sangyup.
Samyup wrap.
Sa bacon, no?
Yeah.
May paso na
Oo,
naman.
yeah.
Talaga naman lagi naman. Bida-bida kayo lahat, may torch ah.
Yun, feeling ko may effect
Ayun, may
talaga.
effect,
Oo, yung kita ko.
Nasunog naman.
Ayun, itong ano daw sauce.
Oo nga, no?
Spicy chicken, barbecue, Sam, Korean sauce.
Samjang.
Ito yun. It's a bit salty, sabi yun. Yeah. Good job again, okay?
Here we go.
Ano sauce yan? Sam.
Sauce Mariosep.
Ay, nako. Legit.
Basically, pabaliktad siya ng sangyupsal.
Yung gulay na sa loob.
Yung gulay yung nasa loob, imbis na binabalot mo yung baboy.
Tama. Sir,
Ano ang level?
Hindi naman, di mangang.
Pwede.
pwede. Kaya ni sir.
Sushi. Para siyang maki.
Pero karne yung wrap.
Karne yung balot. Diba?
Bro, panalo.
Kaya lang, parehong sauce yung tinira nyo pa.
Pwede pa, kung gusto mo mag-samjang.
Ito naman, wasabi mayo.
Mainit. Gumana yung flaring eh. Okay, lakad na ulit. Next one. Next one na kagad. Paano? Kakainin ba yung buntot nito?
Hindi ko rin alam.
Feeling ko hindi eh.
So, fourth item. Hipan mo po.
Bibilang ba kayo? Yata.
Baka, lagyan mo na lang ng graphics. Number 4. Ping!
Kailangan ko atang hawakan yung dulo.
Hey, how are you? What?
It's buttered shrimp, that's it.
Okay.
Nothing special pala.
Hello. One teriyaki, one barbecue.
Okay. Ano do ya, chief? Ano spicy?
Oh, sarap.
Gambot naman ako.
Pakita mo ulit dalawa. Oh, niyan, dalawang espada.
Yes, sir.
Hawak ko eh. Si Sir, busy pa magano. Oh.
To the honor, sir.
Ito ay teriyaki.
Hindi, teriyaki siguro.
Ito yung teriyaki.
Ito, kimchi.
Tama si sir.
Nya. Hindi naman.
Kaya?
Hindi naman spicy.
Ketchup lang.
Okay.
Ketchup lang pala eh.
Kaya naman.
Napakaganda naman dito sa Korea talaga oh. Patay ka.
Pero naarang sa dulo.
Ayun lang, nasa dulo ang anghang. Order tayo ng ano.
Oo nga.
Sa dulo yan, ha?
Magdi-drinks tayo. Hanap tayong drinks. Yun ang next na.
Umpisa ng ketchup. Oo, pero hot sauce sa dulo.
Yun sa'yo. Yun sa akin.
Close.
Lemon juice.
Correct!
Kaya ako ng juice.
Correct! Di ba nasa huli ang pagsisisi?
Di ba?
Gusto ko yung ito ulit.
Sarap nito.
Kay Sir, grape juice. Grapefruit pala. Grape juice.
Masarap.
Matamis?
Matamis na may...
Oh, matamis
na may
din.
pait. Ay, ganun ang grapefruit. Kaya, may pait.
Grabe, iba yung guest natin sa vlog ngayon.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Recommended.
Recommend. Beef bulgogi. Teka lang. Oh, man, saan ka kumuha ice cream?
Ice cream man.
Okay, so mga
Don't laugh at me, I'm not mac and cheese. It's juice.
15 minutes na po kami dito.
Right? Yes. It's good, right?
Best.
You want to one? Okay. Okay, you know, just me? Just try it. I know it's going to be fun.
Okay.
One free?
Okay.
You not only one, tell me put on.
You are good dog.
Other Filipino tell me put on too.
Yeah,
Other Filipino tell me, oh, you are put on?
You already know.
You're so kind.
Yeah.
I didn't know.
Yeah.
One more.
Because you know we enjoy it here, and that's why it's like a tradition when we go home.
Yes.
We bring something back to
Yes.
our family, our friends.
Yes.
It's called pasalubong. That's what it
I
means.
just recommend you guys like the best thing here. I didn't say that you should buy this because it's expensive thing. No, no, no.
No. It's the best.
Yes, it's the best, not expensive thing. I'm not purot. I'm not purot.
Congratulations.
She's not budol now.
I'm not
She
budol.
recommended the best, not the most expensive.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
감사합니다.
24 hours later.
So, syempre, hindi mawawala ang famous BBQ dito sa Korea. Meron na tayo nito sa Pilipinas, pero
Dumayo pa kami.
syempre, subukan natin dito. So, umorder kami ng fries platter. Yun lang. Yun lang. So, may iba-iba siyang fries. Subukan natin kung ano yung pinakamasarap na patatas.
Wow. Amazing.
So may ganitong version, kasang price. Meron din ganitong version, kasang freedom price.
Kaya yung
Smiley.
fries. Smiley.
Smiley. Siguro parang hash brown to.
Hindi. Parang modos.
Medyo parang mojos. And tater tots.
Tater tots, of course.
Ay, may wedges pa pala.
Dumating na, guys.
So dumating na ang ating chicken.
2 flavors.
Olive yang, ay bali.
Eh,
Olive flavor. Olive chicken, something.
chicken barbecue.
Saka chicken barbecue. Kala mo naman di kakamayin eh. Hindi. Para mas nakakatawa. Kuha tayong chicken.
Yun. Perfect. Okay, kinabahan ako. Kala ko manga. Hindi naman.
Di mangang. Di pala mangang eh.
Hindi siya
Balik natin.
Hindi siya makanghang.
Barbecue.
Sarap talaga.
Unahin natin yung golden olive naman. Parang Jollibee kunyari.
Sama mo yun ha. Sama mo yun ha.
Ang lamig! Fries muna tayo, fries. May point din naman yung ano, pwede ka mag-select kung kunyari gusto mo puro drumstick para mas madaling kainin.
Kaya siya may extra finger. Chicken joy or BB?
Siyempre, Chicken Joy. Pinoy ako eh. Okay, kakain na muna kami. Mamaya na kayo.
Bye, guys.